Do you need a break from the rides? This is the best way to slow down and enjoy your day.
Hey everyone, Ben and Aubrey here, and today we are going to show you how we take a little break from the roller coasters and enjoy our time at Universal even more. Our first stop today is in Jurassic Park, and it involves some teeth. We get it. When you're here at Universal, there's a lot to do, and it's very easy to get caught up with the big attractions. But there's tons of little things that will make memories just as much as the big roller coasters.
Shows and meet and greets in line to do some photos with a real live carnivore. I asked if it's a big dinosaur or a little dinosaur. It's the big dinosaur.
Jurassic World is now proud to present
Come on now!
Mongoliensis,
Let's go!
known to the world as Velos Raptor.
All right, come on over.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
All right, good. Yes, Slytherin, get the stuff down. Great, come on over. Right towards. Don't bite that camera! Stop it! Blue, stop it! Stop it! Hey! Hey!
Calm it down. I don't care if it looks fuzzy right there. You don't bite it, okay? Bite the hair instead, okay? People love that, right? I'm kidding. Nobody likes that. It's very uncomfortable. Oh, and she's trying. Cut it out. You just left him. We just saw that.
Okay, girl. Hey! Okay.
Oh, the raptor encounter.
Toss you
So much
back
fun.
there, and you're gonna
So
distract
lifelike.
the animal, okay?
So scary.
Yeah.
I cannot help but get a double
man,
chin
okay.
from how much I cheese during that encounter every single time.
Every time.
Just relax.
Definitely a must do. Oh, and those pictures are incredible.
Everybody turn around.
Must do. Our next show gonna be over in Hogsmeade. Gonna have to check the app to see what show is next, but headed over to the Wizarding World.
The Wizarding World, Hogsmeade, one of my favorite places.
Let's go see the show. In Hogsmeade, there is a couple of shows. You have the Frog Choir, but you also have the Spirit Rally with the 3 different magical schools.
Do you know what those schools are, Ben?
I don't.
Yeah.
Durmstrang. Got it. Got one.
Baton.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
But we don't know which one is coming. We'll have to
First
see.
one. No, we do know
We
which
do?
one. I looked
Okay.
it up on the app. We're gonna hang out, watch the Frog Choir first, and then a little bit later, about 30 minutes, the Tri-Wizard Tournament Spirit Rally will start. We just experienced the Frog Choir today. Pretty quick little musical number, and then you get to take photos, particularly being able to give a shout out to your house. It's a great time to grab a hot, cold, or frozen butterbeer, enjoy the show, and then get some pictures with your family and the Frog Choir. Next, at 11, which is just a couple minutes away from now, we're gonna go and watch the Tri-Wizard Spirit Rally.
Best way to know when the shows are occurring is just to download and check the Universal Orlando app. It'll give you the most up-to-date information for the time that you're here at your Universal Orlando adventure.
That was fun. We have more meet and greets and shows to do. So, we're gonna beat feet and head over to our next location. Islands of Adventure is really known for all of the rides.
Velocicoaster.
Velocicoaster, Hagrid's, all of the big stuff. But if you want to break through your day, stopping and watching these shows or doing the meet and greets is a really great opportunity. However, stay tuned because we have even better shows as you watch on. If you have little ones, one of the great shows in Islands of Adventure is actually in Seuss Landing. However, while we were hanging out to watch the Tri-Wizard Tournament Spirit Rally, we missed it. We have seen the show though, so we're gonna clip that in right now. And then we're heading over towards Toon Lagoon and Marvel to see some character meet and greets before we grab a quick bite and then head to studios. Wolverine and Cyclops are here, as well as some other people. I don't know all the characters in the comic book world, but Spider-Man's over there. And then there's some girls down that way. There's no bad guys out right now. I don't know, they must have fought them all away.
Are you a superhero?
I'd like to think I am.
Well, do you have a superpower? Or a mutant power? Were you born with a superpower?
Hard to say. Hard to say. I go invisible, I don't know.
Okay.
Or I go blank, that's really what it is. That's the superpower, I can't think of anything.
I mean, you look pretty tough. Can you exude the blankness on me? Like you give people brain farts or something? Is that would
Like
be
I just can't think?
Yeah, like maybe to Doom, he's like, I'm gonna take over and all of a sudden he can't remember what he wanted to do.
How about we all just look as confused as possible?
Oh, okay.
Like,
So what did you think? Was it thrilling as you hoped it?
Yeah, but it was cold this morning.
That's not my fault.
I know, I was gonna ask, be like, I think she caused that, didn't she?
Sometimes she
Yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah. The rain is.
Just threw me right under the bus.
Yeah, just right under the
But
bus.
today we're good.
Yeah, today.
Did I make up for yesterday?
Yeah.
So who's this lovely lady?
It's my wife.
hello, ladies.
Very strong.
Yes. If you want to meet Spider-Man in Marvel, be sure to get in line probably even prior to him coming out. Spider-Man is definitely the most popular meet and greet in Marvel. Next, we're gonna hang out a little while and we're gonna meet some classic Toon characters.
Hello. Wow, look at the muscle.
There's something fuzzy coming right at me.
I know.
Oh, gee.
Good to see you.
Good to see
How are
you
you,
guys.
Where you from?
Georgia.
Georgia. Always on my mind.
Who is this Georgia?
I don't know, but she's always on my mind.
You're gonna get yourself in trouble. You're gonna get yourself in trouble.
Where's Gluto?
Oh, don't even get me started on that. I tell you, you look great.
Yeah, I think
Eating
he's
spinach.
Like I have a twin.
and peaches every day. Oh, that's the secret. Bye, handsome.
So long.
Olive oil called me handsome. Shucks. Toon Lagoon might be a bit outdated and you might not know who some of the characters are, but the character meet and greets of meeting Popeye and Olive Oil and Betty Boop are still very cute. Time to go find Ob and see what she's grabbing us for lunch.
Went into Lagoon, get a Dagwood. I don't know if that's enough sandwich. Did you eat your olive?
Hated it.
I officially have new life. That Dagwood hit. We've come up with a game plan. It's time to go to studios. There's so many shows, so many meet and greets over there. We're gonna enjoy our time in the park. But we need to get over to studios because there is one particular dance show that's gonna start in 20 minutes. Let's see if we can book it over there fast enough.
And by the magic of editing, we are back and we're at Studios.
Studios.
Studios has even more meet and greets, even more shows.
I see Scooby and the gang already.
See, we're already, but we've got one that we have to go see.
Yes.
We have to.
Hopefully Ben doesn't throw his back out dancing with them.
Hey.
The number one reason that we had to make it over here to Mel's Drive-In to see the dancing show is because it's not gonna be here forever. Like, these are some of the last performances happening here. So we had to highlight it. It is a great show. Enjoy the video, enjoy the show, and then we'll find another show after this.
Facts don't lie. They don't lie.
On to the next show!
Really quick, jumped over to the horror makeup show. Catch the 1 o'clock showing of that.
The horror and makeup show is one of our favorite, like, sit-down shows to come in and experience. I don't know where the camera's at. I'm looking everywhere. It's funny, it's interesting, and you get to learn a lot of cool stuff about how Universal sets up all of their cool monsters movies.
But some of the most important things: air conditioning and seating.
And they make fun of kids.
Now, some of you may not know this, Universal created the modern-day horror movie.
That is true. And with that in mind, let's take a look at some of the greatest moments from Universal's legacy of horror.
Don't point that at me.
You had your chance. Who threw something?
That guy? He was mad about your Hufflepuff thing earlier. He's like, I'm a Hufflepuff, don't make fun of us. And he threw a cigarette over here.
Cigarette?
Yeah, he's got it hidden in a wand pocket. Wand pocket. And I go, hey, Huffy. Huffy Puffy. Huffy Puffy. He goes, I do what I want, old lady.
So we are in prime Showtime right now over in studios. We've got stuff happening down in Diagon Alley. Coming up, we also have some stuff happening in the New York section. And we did miss quite a few meet and greets because, well, we went to the horror and makeup show and then we spent time in Islands doing meet and greets. So, we're heading down to Diagon to go and see if we can get Ben on stage. I can't believe it happened. We got to book it down to see if we can catch any of the Beat Builders, and then Blues Brothers, and then Vamos. There's so much to do. Let's go.
This is how I got kicked out of Home Depot. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Hey, come on.
Hey. Let's keep the gear on.
Let's keep the gear on.
Yeah.
Staying on.
All right. Dylan.
Yeah?
Play those beats you're working on, man.
Are you sure they want to hear it?
Yeah.
Hey! You guys want to hear my beat? Yeah! I need it.
Where to next? Into the sun. I've never been so in love with a flash mob. Check this out. Woo!
You like it. You like it.
I'm just saying, I'm just commenting on it. Like, notice that got right in there.
He's just a big fan. Or maybe I'm a big fan.
Hold on, let me think of 3 more things that I can say that I shouldn't. Yeah, those are good.
So there's 2 shows that we haven't been able to show you yet that we might not be able to get to today, but they're worth stopping in if you're interested in these themes. Number 1, Born Stuntacular. Want to make sure I got the full name there. Born Stuntacular. It is aggressive. It is a shoot 'em up action style show on stage with great AC, mind you. Great show. Ben loves it. It's a little loud for me, but worth going to if you are into the Born aesthetic, okay? Show number 2, worth a stop. Animal actors on location. Do you love dogs? Do you love birds? Do you love seeing them do cool tricks and things? Then that's a show for you. Anyway, we're gonna miss both of them today. However, if you're interested, shoot us a message. We can tell you a little bit more about them. We're gonna head back over because Ben can't get enough dancing at Mel's. And then we're gonna see if we can pop back down to Diagon for the last show of the evening. Gone through shows, we've done meet and greets, and during this entire time, we actually haven't ridden a single ride. So I have a question for you, Ben. Have you enjoyed your day?
I've had a great day. We've had a lot of fun meeting people, interacting with the team members, and everything in between.
What was your favorite show?
I think my favorite show is still the Mel's Drive-In Dance. Universal is definitely a place that is easy to get caught up in, bouncing from roller coaster to roller coaster, but you will enjoy your time even more if you stop to slow down just a bit.
This is one of our favorite ways to spend the days when we come to the parks and we don't feel like riding the rides or dealing with the wait times. So we hope you got something from this video. If you come watch the shows, let us know which one's your favorite in the comments. And if you want to support the channel further, subscribe. It really helps us out.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.